Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modeling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, as it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Okay, so images back on, back into, is that one solid? Viewport shading. Yes, solid. Okay, right, from the front, number 1 on the keypad, numpad. Keep saying that. I'm pretty sure you know. So with front selected, yeah. Oh, there we go. Actually turned overlays off, hadn't I? I didn't think I could select it. You muppet. Right, so in the edit again. Right, so we just we need to add an edge here. For this here, of course. But on the front view, it's like a tiny gap between this recess here. We'll see what it does. We'll do a Control R. We'll just line it up where it is. Do one, right, middle one. That again. Actually, no, just do it from here. Just do them ones. Scale Z. Don't put your finger on Z until you're close. Don't put your finger on Shift until you're close. Right, let's look. Same thing from the side. Oops. Right, so that only needs to be corrected. So them selected, JJ. You see, as I'm doing this, if you look to the left there, it's completely out of place again. So now, which one do we follow? Now that one, it is directly above the walls, but quite far away from the indent here, or the side, to slide it up. So, tell you what, let's stop faffing. Quite a gap there, really, isn't it? Right. So I'm thinking GG, do it E, F. I don't remember, oops, the size of that gap on the previous image there. Yeah. Okay, that's nicely lined up with that one, except from the side, is it? From the side. It's a pain, isn't it? So, noticed here is if we can do a JJ with this, just pull that to the right a little bit. Do the same here. Hopefully that keeps the shape because the shrink wrap still has a hold of it. So, and select them two. So confusing when the blueprints don't match. So if we get rid of these, I feel that's going to have to slide back a little bit as well, unfortunately. Seeing that, blueprints, what do we do? Let's just try it. Never get attached to your model. Something's always going to happen. Next, vertices. Need one in there. Annoyingly. I like them. Excellent. 1, 2. That needed to stay there, didn't it, for that slightly angled part of the nose. Oh, call it nose now. Front end. I'll just try to rotate this view. That was quite humorous. Right. So with this, that pulls inside. Will be that bit, won't it? Yeah. In with this bit. GG. Slide it over, just line it up. I like them 3. Full stop on number pad. Extrude Y. See, that doesn't look like it's actually moved anywhere. So if we go to our object data again, if we assign these verts to that group, we'll go. Otherwise, it's trying to snap them all to our guide front. Have a look at this image again. Does it go? It goes to the side a bit. So, quite a lot actually there, isn't it? And oops, what about the outside bit as well? Right, that just goes straight back. There's a decent view of it there this time. Right, so highlight all of them. Ignore them too. Control, deselect them. My word, come on. Right. Extrude and Y. Pull them back there. Just so they're pretty much in line with that. There. 2 for edge. Highlight that. Press F for fill or F for face, whichever you prefer. And there. Of course, all of these need to be assigned to that vertex group. Go. Oh, there we go. Hello. Right, all these. Expire this again. They just go straight back. Lovely. Extrude and Y again. And look at nothing's going. Ah. Yes, you guessed it. No, I meant assign it to the group. There we go. Right, how tight are these edges around here? Let's have another look at that. Not majorly tight. I mean, obviously there is that curve there, but what we could do is, normally what I would do is, let's demonstrate this, I would put a main crease on, as you know, as you've seen, but that kind of makes it look bleh. So rather than that, demonstrate on this one also. Not you. Yeah. To be fair, it doesn't look too bad, but it's just strange pulling across it. So we'll highlight these again, set that back to 0. What we'll do is we'll just add a supporting line up edge, that in there, pull it forward, and then just slide it back a bit. Don't put your finger on shift straight away. And to be fair, that should actually have one around the outside as well. I probably should have inset them first before that. My mistake. So you can get away with it. You have to build edges around it. Actually, since shrink wrap's on, we'll do this a little bit. It's just a quick test. To get a decent corner, you need 3 edges. As you see here, I have 1, 2, then 3. The corner itself, and then the supporting structure around it. It's not too bad actually. Right, the only issue now is, you can see these, you go highlight your guide and change your viewport levels to a 3. This needs to be a higher poly count. When we're finished with it, we'll put on a 4. Since we're not, wait, I don't know what you are going to be doing with this afterwards, but stick a 3 on it there. See how it's tightened that up? So for now, we know it's going to look better, so we'll just leave that at a 2. So here also is, we'll drop another one in here, do an E, see that snap to the outside, then do an F, just pull that in. Luckily the shrink wrap is keeping everything under control, so another one here, sadly. E. There we go, it's aligned straight away this time. We go, in next to no time we have a pretty sexy looking front end. Hide those images. Right, so watch, if we turn off the shrink wrap, it's all horrible. Yeah, still not too bad to be fair, but there's these edges that are breaking it up, which shouldn't be there. As we apply it again, wait, if we put it back on again, it smooths them out nicely. Shrink wrap is your friend. Yeah, as you can see, I'm looking for a thumbnail again. Press. I'll catch you in the next one.